institutions to implement drug testing. So speaking for the motion, Jashmeer, we start with you, 3 minutes.
Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, and Atma Namaste to my dear judges and the audience. Can I ask you a question? Who all are Shah Rukh Khan fans? Please raise your hands. Come on, girls. There's a very famous dialogue. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती है, बट ड्रग इज नॉट अ छोटी बात, तभी हम आज इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अब हमारे कॉलेज में कभी ड्रग टेस्टिंग तो हुई नहीं, तो हमें कुछ पता नहीं इसके बारे में. सो लेट मी गिव एन एग्जांपल. इन 2005, मे बी अ ईयर आफ्टर यू ऑल वर born, there was a drug testing program being conducted in UK, England, the Abbey School. So now what happened? There was a random drug testing program being conducted. Out of 600 students, जितने almost आज यहाँ बैठे हैं, one was tested positive. You all must be wondering, maybe it was done to induce panic or fear among students. No, it was done to protect them, जैसे हमारे parents हमें protect करते हैं. There were 3 things which were being seen after the program was conducted. The first one was better performance in maths. The second one was comprehensive outlook, and the third one was that better classroom behavior. Now, I know the opposition team will say all of these things done to increase performance, so I rebuttal this point before only. There were 3 main primary reasons. The first was peer pressure. हमारे साथ ऐसा होता है, जो तू करेगी वो मैं करूंगी, जो मैं करूंगी वो तू करियो, because you want to look cool. The real reason is we want to be acceptable by the society. Taking drugs is a new fashion to get accepted in the society and become a part of it. There is a statistical study report which says monitoring the future. It states that 38% students take drugs because of the peer pressure. And 8 to 10% decrease in percentage can be seen when drug testing programs are conducted all of a sudden. क्योंकि जो कभी भी कहीं भी हो सकता है, उससे डर तो लगेगा ना. The second reason was accountability. डर लगता है जब मम्मी पूछती है इतनी बाहर रात को क्या, कहाँ थे. Similarly, वही रूल हमने यहाँ अप्लाई कर दिया. When you are accountable to your teachers, you'll feel shame. जब आप ड्रग्स लोगे और सारे स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स सब देखेंगे ये ड्रग्स लेते हैं, you will feel that shame and guilt, and that is why accountability is important, and that is why drug testing program is compulsory and mandatory to be induced. In 2020, there was a report which said that if this program is induced in every educational institute, the student awareness will increase. सुबह मैम ने कहा था अवेयरनेस से एक्शन, एक्शन से भारत का विकास, यूथ लेड डेवलपमेंट. तो क्यों ना हम मैम की ही बात मान ले. The third point is प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. ये तो हमने हमेशा सुना है. 18 and 19 ईयर्स में जो लोग ड्रग्स लेना शुरू करते हैं वो बाद में जाके ड्रग एडिक्ट्स बन जाते हैं. अगर 18-19 में ही पकड़ लिया और इस लूप को खत्म कर दिया, वील हैव नो और एब्सोल्युटली लेस ड्रग एडिक्ट्स इन आवर कंट्री, एंड वी कैन हैव अ यूथ लेड नेशन. एंड जैसे गीत ने कहा था जब भी मैट्स में, अब तो मैं यहाँ से भाग रही हूँ. She meant running away from the drugs and living a life so beautiful, so elegant, just like a wow. Thank you.
All right.